Hey, just a very quick little video for you today. I'm out of the man room. It is May 29th, 2011, and the 13 years cicadas are here. These are the shells and the ones that haven't made it to the tree yet. When I first got here, I wasn't sure what I was stepping on. This one's looking pretty dry and ready to continue the journey up the tree. And you continue the journey up the tree. And there they all are. One of them just bounced off my camera. They are everywhere. If I shut up for a while, you might even be able to hear them. Those aren't weed whackers in the background. Those are cicadas. Uh-oh. This poor guy is probably not going to make it. I don't know if the wings have dried right. Maybe he'll be fine. Here's one of the shells. These aren't nearly as big as the one we had a couple of years ago. I think those were 17-year cicadas. These are 13 years. And I know some people think bugs are icky, and some people just can't stand to hear that sound because it drives them nuts, or see this, or hear that crunch under my feet. But consider the amazing fact that these bugs are 13 years old, and they're just now coming up out of the ground. My daughter Gracie isn't as old as this bug right here. And from here, they will climb the tree, they will dry out their wings, they will fly off, they will eat, they will reproduce, they will bury their eggs in the ground, and the circle continues. Isn't it a magical and wonderful thing? Okay, maybe it's not magical and wonderful, maybe it's just creepy, but it is pretty cool. I don't know if you've got cicadas where you're from. If you don't, that's what they're all about. So, I'll see you back in the man room. Bye-bye.